Dear students, welcome you all to this video. So in this video, we are continuing state lines, how we can convert one form of state line to another form. So class 11 mathematics, NCERT, I have taken some question from exercise 10.3. So let us begin. You know that the general equation of a line is in form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b are simultaneously not zero and c is a constant. So let us proceed for different forms. We have already learned it. If you have not learned it or you want to learn from this video, you can go back. You can find some other videos available. I will post the link also. Then you can learn. So different form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I am not writing all the forms, but I'll write the important forms as one is slope-intercept form, which we call also y-intercept form, slope and y-intercept form. So please note down how we can convert it. We write x plus by plus c is equal to 0. First we write separate y as your y is equal to, I'm writing here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This gives you by is equal to minus ax plus c. Then next is, you will separate y. How much it will be? Minus a by b, ax plus c by b. So we write a minus a by bx as slope m and your c by b as the constant or y-intercept. Now let us go for a question. I am taking one example. One example is your 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Then what is in slope-intercept form? So I will separate 2y as your minus 3x plus 5. Next I will separate y. Y is how much? It will be minus 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 2. So your minus 3 by 2 is the slope, because slope-intercept form is y mx plus c, when small c is the y-intercept. That means when the line makes an angle theta such that tan theta is equal to m, which we call slope, and it passes y-axis at small 0 comma small c, so that we call it small y-intercept. So y-intercept is this. So 5 by 2 in this particular equation, 5 by 2 is your small c and minus 3 by 2 is the slope. M is equal to minus 3 by 2 and small c is equal to 5 by 2. So next is intercept form. X plus by is equal to 0. So here intercept form means, let me explain. So if a on x-axis it is making a intercept, this line, and y-axis is making b intercept, we write x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So when equation is given in ax plus by plus c is 0, so first you have to take the constant to right side. Ax plus by is equal to minus c. Then what I'll do, I'll make this minus c as 1. So what should I divide? I'll divide throughout by minus c plus b minus c. So this is equal to 1. Then what is x-intercept? X-intercept is equal to how much? Minus c by a. This is your x-intercept. You will compare this with this. Then your on y-axis it will be minus c by b. So this will be your b is equal to 1. So let us go for a question. Question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now what will be in x? It will be intercept form. What will be x-intercept? What will be y-intercept? So we'll divide throughout by 12. So this gives you 3x minus 12 divided by 12 plus 4x divided by 12 is equal to 1. So what is x-intercept? It will be your 4. What is y-intercept? It will be 3. So on one x-axis it will cut at 4, 0 and one y-axis it will cut at 0, 3. So this is the meaning of intercept. So what are the equation? Equation was 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 in general form, and we converted to intercept form. X by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Then coming to normal form. Normal form is x, the general form is this. If I want to convert into normal form you know that x cos omega plus y sine omega is equal to p, where this is the equation, line is this length from origin is p, perpendicular, and this makes an angle omega. So we write x cos omega plus y sine omega is equal to the length of the perpendicular, that is p. So this is the equation in normal form. So when you want to convert any general form into normal form, so what we'll do, we'll divide throughout by a square plus b square. So it will becomes a by under root a square plus b square into x plus b by under root a square plus b square into y is equal to c by under root a square plus b square. So this will be your small p, length of the perpendicular. And how much is this? Coefficient of x is cos omega. So cos omega will be a by under root a square plus b square, and coefficient of y will be sine omega. Sine omega is equal to b by under root a square plus b square. So we can find omega. We can find omega, we can find p. So while going on questions, we'll do it. So let us proceed for the more concept. Another concept is distance from a point to a line. Distance from a point is given to be x1, y1, and to a line x plus by plus c0 is equal to, this is the formula for getting a, this is your x1, y1, p, and the line is ax plus by plus c0. This you can write this distance as d. So the formula for d is this. And it is a modulus because distance cannot be negative. Distance is always positive. In the same way, distance between two parallel lines also we can find by this formula. What is x1 minus c2 by under root 1 plus m square. So while solving the question, we will come across this. Only you can note down the formula for time being. So if one intercept is C1, one y intercept is C2, then it will be C1, C2 modulus, as I discussed in the same way. This is your positive under root 1 plus m under root square. Or if the equation is ax plus by plus c1 is 0, ax plus by plus c2 is 0, then only they are parallel lines. So at that time d will be c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. So let us take a question. Find the distance between the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 and 6x plus 8y is equal to 15. So first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. And the second equation I'll make into in this form. That means I'll divide throughout by 2. So that I'll get 3x plus 4y is equal to 15 by 2. Now this I can write as 3x plus 4y minus 9 is 0. So C1 is equal to minus 9. And 3x plus 4y minus 15 by 2 is 0. So your C2 is equal to minus 15 by 2. So you can observe that here A, B for both the equations are equal. 3x, 3x, 4y, 4y. So then only this will be C1, this will be C2. So let us learn the formula. Distance between D is equal to modulus C1 minus C2 by under root A square plus B square. So please note that first you have to write the equation in the form so that they both have same Ax and B, A and B. Then only you can put this formula. Otherwise you can't prove. So this will be minus 9 minus 15 by 2. So plus 15 by 2 under root 3 square plus 4 square. Of course, modulus sign. So it will be minus 3 by 2. And here it will be 3 square plus 5 square is equal to under root 5. So it will be 3 by 10. So this distance between two parallel lines is 3 by 10. Now, intersection of two given lines, two lines A1x plus B1y plus C1 0 and A2x plus B2x plus C2 is 0. Two equations A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Second equation A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. They intersect, intersecting if this is the condition. That means as you have read in class 10, it is your unique solution. You can relate what you have learned in the last classes. It will be better to understand. Similarly, it will be parallel and distinct if this is the condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This you have also read. And they are coincident if, or we say infinite many solution. Here we say no solution. That means they are parallel. Infinite many solution. That means one line is coincident with the other line. So let us go for exercise 10.3 NCERT class 11. Reduce the following equations. Whatever we have learned how to reduce the equation in different form, we will get the equation. Reduce the following equations in slope intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercept. So what is slope intercept form? It is y is equal to mx plus c. That means for each equation you have to free your y. So here 7y is equal to minus x. 7y is equal to minus x. So what is y? Y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus what? Plus 0. So what is m? M is equal to minus 7. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept we write as small c. That will be 0 here. Now second part. Second part is 6 plus 3y minus 5 is 0. So this gives me 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. I'll take everything to the right side. Or y is equal to how much? Minus 6 by 3x plus 5 by 3. So what is x-intercept? Sorry, what is slope? Slope is -2. M is -2. And what is small c? Y-intercept, it will be 5/3. Now coming to third one. Y is equal to 0. 0 means 0 into x plus 0. So here slope is 0 and y-intercept is also 0. Reduce the following equation into intercept form. So what is intercept form? Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And what is general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to c, or plus c is equal to 0. You have to shift c like this and make it 1. So let us proceed. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is 0. So I'll write this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Then by 12, I'll divide throughout to make it right side 1. 12, 12, 12. So what I'm getting? I'm getting x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So what is x-intercept? X-intercept is 4. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept is 6. Now part 2. Part 2 is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So I'll divide throughout by 6. 4 by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. Or this gives me x by 6 by 4 plus y by minus 6 by 3. I'll take negative 2 your denominator. Or I'm getting x by 3 by 2 and y by minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is the intercept form. Now coming to what is x-intercept. X-intercept is 3 by 2. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is equal to minus 2. Now reduce the following equation into normal form. It's a one question was left. Let me finish that question also. Third one, 3y plus 2 is 0 to make into intercept form. I'm writing here. So 3y is equal to minus 2. 3y means it is 0. X plus 3y dividing by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So you are getting here x by how much? 0. X-intercept is 0. Then y-intercept will be how much? Y-interceptor will be, y-intercept is minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 3. So how is the equation of this line? This line is y is equal to, it is cuts y at minus 2 by 3. So is there any x-intercept? No, undefined. You will write x-intercept is not 0, it is undefined. Because I'm getting x by undefined, x-intercept undefined. Now reduce the following in normal form. Find the perpendicular distance. That means you have to get small p from the origin and angle between the perpendicular and positive x-axis. Okay. So let me write the perpendicular form. It will be x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. When this length is p and this is omega. So how to reduce? I'll write x minus root 3y is equal to minus 8 first. And here p is always positive. And what is p? P is equal to your c by under root a square plus b square. You can remember as a formula. In this particular equation, what is a? A is 1. What is b? B is minus root 3. So what will be p? P will be minus 8 by e. Okay, I told first it will be positive. So let me write the positive. Minus x plus root 3y is equal to 8. First you will make into positive. This is very important. Then I'll divide it. So a is equal to here minus 1 and y is equal to root 3. So what I'll divide? I'll divide throughout by 8 by under root 1 square plus root 3 square. So 8 by root 3 square is 3 plus 1. 4 square root is 2. So p is equal to 4. So let me write the equation now. I'll divide by 2. So it will be half x minus half x plus root 3 by 2 y is equal to 4. So this is your small p. Now coming to omega. So it will be cos omega is equal to minus half and sine omega is equal to root 3 by 2. So what is omega? Omega is certainly your 120 degree. That time we get cos omega as minus half. So this will be x cos 120 degree plus y sine 120 degree is equal to 4. I hope you have understood. So take care. First you will make this 8 as positive. Next, I'm going to second question. So y is equal to 2. Y means this is 0x plus 1y. So what will be a square plus b square? It will be just as your 1. 0 square plus 1 square, 1. Then it will be 0x plus 1y is equal to 2 by 1 by 1 by 1. So x 0, it is cos 90 degree plus y sine 90 degree is equal to 2. So what is omega? Omega is equal to 90 degree. What is p? P is equal to 2. Now coming to third part. Here x minus y is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. Then I'll divide throughout by a square plus b square. So this will be how much? It will be root 2. 1 plus 1 root 2. So 1 by root 2x minus 1 by root 2y is equal to 4 by root 2. That will be 2 root 2. So p is your 2 root 2. P is 2 root 2. Now coming to omega. So x cos omega plus y sine omega is equal to p. That means cos omega is equal to 1 by root 2, which is positive, but sine omega is equal to negative, minus 1 by root 2. This is only possible when omega is in fourth quadrant. X negative, y positive. So fourth quadrant means 1 by root 2 means it is your 5 by 4 or 45 degree. So when it is in fourth quadrant, how much will be omega? Omega will be 360 minus 45 degree. How much is this? This will be your 315 degree. So it will be x cos 315 degree plus y sine 315 degree is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is p. So we have done it. Next question number 4. Find the distance of the point -1, 1 from the line. The line is, I'm multiplying, this is 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10. Or simplify, 12x minus 5y is my plus 82 is equal to 0. So what is the formula? Formula is from the point x1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is 0 is your distance is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root what? A square plus b square and with a modulus. So d will be how much? It will be 12 into minus 1. 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into 1 plus 82 upon a square. What is a? 12 square. What is b? Minus 5 square. So this will be minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 by 12 square is 144 plus 25. You know it will be 169. The square root will be 13. So it will be 65 by 13. How much it is? It is 5. So 5 unit. Question number 5. Find the point on x-axis. So distance from x by 3 plus y by 4 is 1 or 4 units. So this will be 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. I am simplifying this. This is the equation. And to this line from x-axis, the distance is 4 units. So any point on x-axis, we can write x comma 0. So from x-axis to the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. The distance is given to 4. You have to find the value of x. No problem. So we'll put the same formula. So what I'll do, 4 will be multiplied with x. 3 will be multiplied with 0. And this will be 12 will be negative because we have to write the equation first in this form. Minus 12 whole upon under root 4 square plus 3 square. This modulus is equal to how much? It is given to 4. So when there is modulus, you have to take 2 times. One positive, one negative. So this will be 4x minus 12 by 5 equal to either 4 or 4x minus 12 by 5 is equal to minus 4. So from first I'll write 4x minus 12 is equal to 20. This gives you 4x is equal to 32. It gives x is equal to 8. So first point is 8, 0. Now coming to second one, 4x minus 12 is equal to minus 20. Or 4x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 2. So other point will be minus 2, 0. So these are the 2 points. One is 8, 0. One is minus 2, 0. Find the distance between two parallel lines. One is 15x plus 8y minus 34 is 0. 15x plus 8y plus 21 is 0. So they have both your 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0. 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. See, both have A equal, B equal, no need of converting. So I'll write this is your C1 and this is your C2. So what is the formula? It will be C1 minus C2 by under root A square plus B square. So it will be minus 34 minus 31 upon 15 square plus 8 square under root. How much is 15 square? Of course, modulus minus 65 by this will be 17. So 65 by 17 is the answer. Coming to second part, this is your Lx plus Ly plus P0. Second one is Lx plus Ly minus R is 0. Both have same A, both have same B. So it will be this C1 is your P, C2 is equal to R. So C2 is minus 1. So C1 minus C2 by under root L square plus L square. So it will be P plus R by 2L square. How much it will be? P plus R by root 2 into L. Answer. Question number 7. Find the equation to line parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 2 is 0 passing through this point. Any line, I am going in a shortcut method. Any line parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is 3x minus 4y. Keep a, x, b, y same and plus k is equal to 0. Any line, take easily in this way. Now minus 2 minus 3 is on the line. So put x is equal to minus 3, minus 2, y is equal to 3 and find k. So 3 into minus 2 plus minus 4 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. So minus 6 minus 12 plus k is 0. So how much is k? K is equal to 18. So you got the equation. What is in this? Put k. K is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 18 is 0. This is the answer. Question number 8. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line having x-intercept is 3. Again, concept is perpendicular. I am right. Short method. Short method. What is it? Now, we know that when lines are perpendicular, their slopes are minus 1. Or M1 is negative reciprocal of M2. So, x minus 7y plus 5 is 0. So, any line perpendicular to it, any line perpendicular to it, what you will do? You change a and b. So, here write 7x, here write 1y and change the sign. Here make your all plus. When there is 1 minus, make it all plus. Plus k is equal to 0. So I got 7x plus y plus k is 0. So what I did? First I change one negative sign because M1 is negative reciprocal. If the slope is here negative, it will be positive here. And A, B, I change the position. Just check once. Here for the first line, the slope is, I'm writing a short formula for slope. It is minus a by b. So here slope is your 1 by 7. And come to second one. Here slope will be minus 1 by b. It will be minus 7. Are you getting the product is minus 1? Yes. Now again, it is making x-intercept is 3. X-intercept is 3 means I'm not going to intercept form. The line passes through 3, 0. Line makes x-intercept 3 means it is passing through 3, 0. So I'll put 3, 0. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. Then I'll find k. So this will be 7 into 3 plus 0 plus k is 0. So k is equal to minus 21. Now put in the equation. So it will be 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Answer. Question number 9. Find the angles between the line √3 plus y is equal to 1, x plus √3y is equal to, find the angle between them. So let us recall the fact. Tan alpha is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. I am going for short method to get the slope. Short method of getting the slope without converting. What is it? If the equation is x plus by is equal to c or plus c 0, slope is your minus a by b. Negative coefficient of x, negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So for first equation, it will be m1 is equal to negative 1 by √3. And m2 it will be minus 1 by √3. Now go for tan alpha is equal to m2 minus m1, 1 by √3 minus √3 by 1 plus m, of course it is a modular sign, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by √3 into minus √3. So how much you are getting? You are getting minus 1 minus 3, both are negative, it will be positive, by your 1 plus 1. So how much you are getting? You are getting tan alpha is equal to how much? 1 or minus 1. When it is 1, the alpha is equal to your 45 degree. If it is minus 1, alpha is equal to 135 degree. So angle can be, sorry, we got a mistake. It will be √3 is there. So it will be 1 by √3, very sorry, or minus 1 by √3. 1 by √3 will be there. This will simplify to your minus 1 by √3. Let me drop it. That will be. So this will be your minus 1 plus 3 by √3 upon 1 plus 1. This will be tan alpha is equal to how much? 2 by √3 into 2. That will be 1 by √3. So when modulus 1 by √3 I am taking, so I will take tan alpha is equal to either 1 by √3, or we cannot ignore that it can be minus 1 by √3. So the angle between them is equal to either your alpha will be 30 degree or it will be 150 degree. Question number 10. The line through the point h, 3, 4, 1, h, 3 and 4, 1, the line intersect this line, which line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is 0 in right angles. That means slope of the line joining AB and slope of this line are perpendicular to each other, or make product is minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. What is M1? M1 is slope of joining H3 and 4,1. So how much it will be? It will be 1 minus 3 by 4 minus h. And what about M2? This is your M1. Coming to M2, M2 is slope of the line. As I wrote, minus a by b you will write. So it will be minus 7 by minus 9. That will be 7 by 9. So M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So minus 2 by 4 minus 8 into 7 by 9 is equal to minus 1. So simplify. So minus minus cancel. So it will be 14 is equal to 36 minus 9h. So minus 9h is equal to how much? Is it correct? Minus 14, 9. Okay. So this will be minus 9h is equal to 2, 22 negative. So h is equal to 22 by 9. So this is the value of h by 22. So we have finished 10 questions. I hope you have learned. You can practice some more questions, or you can wait for next video. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching and subscribe. Share the video so that your friends can also learn. Have a good time ahead.